All right, so we over here talking some real estate business, and I asked him how many transactions he did. How many transactions you done at this point?
Hundreds.
He's in the hundreds. And how did you get started?
How did I get started?
Yeah.
I got started wholesaling.
Okay, that's what's up, man. That's real stuff. So he said he was driving an Envoy before, now he's driving this Maserati.
Yeah.
Looking good, bro. Third one, too.
Third one.
You like Maseratis like I like Lambos.
Yeah, can't get away from it.
Huge shout out to Will Motivation, guys. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel at Will Motivation, dude.
Will Motivation on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely check them out.
We about to run Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
Just saw Will from Will Motivation. If you don't know who he is, just go ahead, type in Will Motivation on YouTube and you'll find him.
Will Motivation, satin white Hurricane to drive.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
Go check out Will Motivation's channel on YouTube.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation out here at Rally for the Ranch in Easton, in Columbus, Ohio, and I'm going to show you guys some crazy whips that are out here. So let's get started with the show. Welcome to Will Motivation. Let's go.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
You might see Will Motivation in a Lambo, but don't run up too fast, I might just go Rambo. If you from where I'm from, you might understand though, and if you're nice, I might just shake your hand though. Knowledge, that's what I hope to share with you. The cause is just to get you to learn what the rich do. But listen, I'm on a mission to be different. What good is a cook in the kitchen if the ingredients are missing? Just pay attention. Entrepreneur with a vision, but without a pension. Invest, something that I stress, believe me. So let's celebrate your success when you see me. Knowledge, education, cars, cribs, and motivation. You might see Will Motivation in a Lambo, but don't run up too fast, I might just go Rambo. If you from where I'm from, you might understand though, and if you're nice, I might just shake your hand though. Knowledge, that's what I hope to share with you. The cause is just to get you to learn what the rich do. But listen, I'm on a mission to be different. What good is a cook in the kitchen if the ingredients are missing? Just pay attention. Entrepreneur with a vision, but without a pension. Invest, something that I stress, believe me. So let's celebrate your success when you see me. Knowledge, education, cars, cribs, and motivation.
Yo, look at this Alfa Romeo. So from what I understand, this is one of the fastest ones out there, right?
It is, with stock turbo, stock engine internals.
So let's talk about your car a little bit.
Okay.
You said it holds a record?
Yes, in the quarter mile.
So this car holds a record in a quarter mile. And are you based out of Central Ohio?
I am.
There it is, Central Ohio doing big things. So tell us year, make, and model.
It is a 2015 Alfa Romeo 4C.
2015 Alfa Romeo 4C. And what's the engine and like does it turbo?
Yes, it's a turbo 1.7 liter.
Excellent, man. And so what do you like most about this car?
I am one of very few that actually have one here in Ohio. So you only see a handful of them.
It's nice, man. Super clean, bro. Congratulations on the car.
Thank you.
And congratulations for setting records.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like this car, man. It's real nice.
I haven't got official with it yet.
Okay.
It's 1180 at 116. I haven't posted the time slip on the form, but it's there. The old record was 1201.
Oh wow, you blew the record out.
Yeah.
Man, nice car, man.
Thank you.
Congratulations. The Lambo is hiding. Got a Danish car right there.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
We got an NSX.
You might see real motivation in a Lambo, but don't run up too fast, I might just go Rambo. If you from where I'm from, you might understand though. And if you're nice, I might just shake your hand though. Knowledge, that's what I hope to share with you. The cars are just to get you to learn what the rich do. But listen, I'm on a mission to be different. What good is a cook in the kitchen if the ingredients are missing? Just pay attention. Entrepreneur with a vision, but without a pension. Invest, something that I stress, believe me. So let's celebrate your success when you see me. Knowledge, education, cars, cribs, and motivation.
How you doing, man?
Good, man. So go ahead and shout out your channel.
Kobe's Vlogs, CLLBY, apostrophe S Vlogs. You know, taking over the game in Columbus. I'm about to beat you soon.
Okay. Hey, that's what I want you to do. That's what I want you to do, bro.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Best of luck to you, bro.
Appreciate it.
All right, we got some gentlemen out here that just started a YouTube channel.
Chris.
What's your name, Chris?
Yes, sir. It's Reese.
Reese, tell me about the channel.
Well, we do automotive inspired things. We actually watch motivation a lot to actually get motivated.
Appreciate it.
We do newscasts, just a lot of trips. We're actually planning a trip around the U.S. But if you want to join, come join.
All right, so I'll make sure I subscribe to your channel. Tell me the name of the channel.
SWA Motorsports.
All right, all right, you guys, check it out, and good luck to you. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Real motivation.
My man, I appreciate you, man. We're out here at the car show. What's your name?
Javon.
Javon? This your little girl?
Yeah, Jasmine.
Hey, Jasmine. How you doing? You pound me up. She was like, hey, man, I appreciate
it. The car is a real big fan of you, brother.
Hey, did you see the car?
Well, I've been taking pictures of all of these cars.
Okay. So. You'll see the Huracan around the corner over there, man.
Oh, man, I gotta see it.
Hey, I appreciate you saying what's up. My brother has it. So hopefully he'll bring it out here. I appreciate you, bro.
All right, G, have a go.
All right, man, take care. Bye. And then you gotta remind me your name every time. Tell me your name.
Andre.
Andre. So I want you guys watching this video to check out Andre, because this guy's gonna be a millionaire real estate investor one day. I'm making a prediction right now. So when you get your Lambo or your Ferrari or whatever, you give me a ride, all right?
Well, I can't wait for you to get your 918.
Oh, my man's been watching the videos. I appreciate it. Yeah, man. But you're gonna do big things when you get older, man. You're a smart kid, man. Take care, man. Yo, look who we got here. I don't know if you guys remember from the Ace Spade rally in the Dayton, Cincinnati area stop. I met these gentlemen down there, and they came all the way to check it out.
You know, we had to come down here.
Tell me your name again.
My name's Zion, but my YouTube is Shot by Zai.
Shot by Zai. Ah, that's right. Yeah, I'll be seeing you on Instagram too.
SHOTBY space ZY.
And Shot, what's your Instagram and everything?
My name is Luis Carrillo, and you know, I got my photography is Luis Carrillo Photography. But my Instagram is Luciano_MGM.
Check them out. Check them out. Yeah. Nah, I appreciate you guys coming out, man. I hope y'all enjoy Columbus. Welcome to Columbus. Good to see y'all again. But yeah, the Lambo's over there. It's over around that corner over there. Yo, check out this ill Maserati right here, bro. So we got the owner of the car. What's up, bro?
Yo, what's good, man?
So this is a fellow investor in the Columbus, Ohio area, but I want to talk about your car right now. First of all, introduce yourself to the folks on the channel.
They call me Brandon Lee. I am Brandon on Instagram. All the A's are V's.
There it is. So yeah, tell me what you like most about this whip, man.
And what I like most about the whip is just so unique because, you know, really it pushed boundaries with the Maserati. Like I got 24-inch wheels on the back, 22s on the front, and you don't see that, right? And then I got the big carbon fiber wing in the back.
Let's look at the wing real quick.
The big boy wing.
Did you put that on there?
Actually, I bought the car like that.
That mug is nice. This is so far the best sounding car that I heard pull in here, man.
Hey, I appreciate it.
Tell them what kind of engine is in there.
So it's the 4.2 Ferrari engine that's in there. The exhaust is Larini X pipe, straight piped, all muffler delete, all that. So, I mean, you get really good sound, man. It's just every time you start it up, you rumble the block.
Yeah, that thing is sick, bro. All right, so I asked you what you like most about it, but tell us what you like least about this car.
It's not the fastest car that I've driven.
Tell me the year, make, and model.
2009 Maserati Gran Turismo.
That's it. People be playing with these on Need for Speed and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, it handles beautiful. But one of the reasons why it's not so fast is because the wheel in the back. It's a 24-inch wheel, so you got the big rotation.
Oh, that's a 24?
24 back.
Dang! That mug is crazy, bro. All right, man, so the secret is out. You're a fellow investor in the Columbus market. How's the market been for you lately?
Man, the Columbus market is amazing.
It's booming right now.
It's booming. I swear that we got probably the best market in the country.
Are you doing it full time right now?
Full time.
Okay,
full time. The flips, rentals.
So you're doing both?
Both, yep.
Yeah, that's what's
Even
that's
the
what's
wholesaling, you know, all that.
So tell them one more time your Instagram so they can check you out.
It's I am Brandon. All the A's are V's.
Check them out, yo. Thanks, bro. All right, so we over here talking some real estate business, and I asked him how many transactions he did. How many transactions you done at this point?
Hundreds.
He's in the hundreds. And how did you get started?
How did I get started?
Yeah.
I got started wholesaling.
Okay. So he said he was driving an Envoy before, now he's driving this Maserati.
Yeah.
Looking good, bro. Third one, too.
Third one.
You like Maseratis like I like Lambos.
Yeah, I can't get away from it.
That's what's up, man. See people out here doing things. You just start networking and talking to people. You find out people might be doing some of the same things you do or you're interested in doing. And, you know, you could iron sharpens iron. Man, all I can say at the end of the day, it's a beautiful day out here. So hopefully some of you guys made it out here. If you didn't, hopefully you enjoyed this video. There's knowledge right there, getting a little bit of camera attention. I should back it up a little bit so people can get a clear shot of the front and the back. There it is.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
You might see real motivation in a Lambo, but don't run up too fast, I might just go Rambo. If you from where I'm from, you might understand though. And if you're nice, I might just shake your hand though. Knowledge, that's what I hope to share with you. The cars are just to get you to learn what the rich do. But listen, I'm on a mission to be different. What good is a cook in the kitchen if the ingredients are missing? Just pay attention. Entrepreneur with a vision, but without a pension. Invest, something that I stress, believe me. So let's celebrate your success when you see me. Knowledge, education, cars, cribs, and motivation.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.